Hi, I'm LaShawn Jenkins with the Notary Institution. I coach and mentor notary signing agents on how they can have a successful notary signing agent business. Every Tuesday and Thursday, make sure to subscribe to my channel to be notified of all the new videos that we have about how to becoming a successful notary signing agent series. So today's video, we're actually going to go over social media marketing, and we're going to go over exactly how you'll be able to use social media marketing for your mobile notary services business. So the first thing is we're going to actually define what is social media marketing. So basically, social media marketing is anything that you do as far as like with your business or whatever services you provide. You want to inform people about your brand, and also you want to increase the number of clients that you actually get, and that's pretty much is what social media marketing is. You have to have some type of purpose behind it. So the most popular social medias that people commonly use is Facebook, Instagram. They have Pinterest, and it's a lot of different platforms. Even Twitter is a place where people actually market businesses on there. But we're in the notary service business, so I'm really not sure about Twitter. So this is a few things I want to talk to you about as far as running ads for your Facebook business page, for your notary business page. A lot of people, they will just jump into trying to run the ads and they're not receiving any feedback. And the thing is about running ads, there's a strategy that you have to apply in order to run the ads so that you can receive your results, and also you're not wasting money spending on ads and not receiving anything. So the first thing you want to think about is you want to define exactly what are your goals for the page. Do you want just to have page likes? Do you want actual clients who need your service, or do you just want to get your name out there that you do notary services? So you have to think about that before you can even run an ad. The next thing is you need to think about what platform are you going to post your services at. So whatever platform you pick, you make sure that you do at least one at a time. You don't try to do all the platforms at once, because really you're going to get sidetracked and it's hard to actually track results that way when you use too many platforms at once. So you want to learn one platform first before you can go to the next. The next thing is on your page, on your Facebook business page, you need to make sure that you have content on there that people actually want to see. A lot of times people will run ads and they don't have nothing on their page, so that's not going to drive anyone to want to know about your services, and also people might think it's some type of spam and not sure if it's a business or not. So you always want to make sure you have content on that page before you even think about running an ad. The next thing is this is more the detail. Once when you're running your page, you need to learn exactly what times people are actually looking at your page or looking for your services. You just want to study your actual market before you get into running ads. And also you want to learn how to read the results. Me personally, I just hired someone to teach me, and that's how I was able to receive my results for Facebook business page. And then last but not least, when you're running an ad, you always want to make sure that you're not wasting money showing your ads to people who don't need your service. And with that being said, you want to get someone who can teach you how to run the ads. You can go on Facebook and Google and look, but sometimes it can get really complicated when you're looking. So with that being said, ads on running for social media for your notary signing agent business can be very helpful, as long as you have the right plan, the right strategy on how you're going to do it, and also as long as someone teaches you how to do it, or you get trained in that so that it will be correct and you're not wasting your money. But that's all I have for today. Don't forget, every Tuesday and Thursday we have the How to Become a Successful Notary Signing Agent series, where I provide tips on how you can be a successful notary signing agent. Thank you for watching my channel, and make sure you subscribe down below. Bye.